did you do that? How did you do that?
Today is February 13th and it's 10 a.m. 2019. I just came from the gym and I stopped at the library to pick up some books for my kids. I didn't record anything today in the gym. If you saw my last video for Monday the 11th, February 11th, I did record some stuff, but the main thing to get out of that video is the way I was feeling. My energy level wasn't there. Things I used to lift, I couldn't lift. So my energy level was not there at all. It's not like I didn't want to be at the gym. It's just that I didn't have the energy to do some of the things I normally lift. And yesterday, I didn't go to the gym. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but if I were to go, I had already planned. If I was going to go to the gym yesterday, Tuesday, the 12th, I was gonna focus on abs only, but there was a snowstorm, so I was home with the kids, and I did some little videos here and there. You don't need to do that. What is Mark doing now? Hello. Are you gonna clean your mess? What? Huh? That corner.
That corner. Come on, go right there.
Oh, is it? No, it's still going. No, she heard it. Chicken, potatoes. They don't have school, so we eat them today. Yeah, you're free to watch whatever. Yes, because you did your work. I'm not gonna be on your case to do any schoolwork. So. Just make look deja vu, but I've been eating that since Monday, rice and chicken, that's it. So that's my lunch for today. No jam, the kids are here playing video games. They finished their homework and I made them read, so yeah, that's it. But while I was home, I had some old vegetables, not vegetables, fruits. I think I had them since the summer, so they've been sitting in the fridge, in the freezer. So I was like, you know what, I'll make some oatmeal cookies out of them because my oatmeal cookies are about to finish. So I made that, and I'll show you some of the recordings that I did yesterday. Regular oats. Protein. I'm just gonna put sausage. Banana extra. Cinnamon. Okay, now this is regular grinded oats that I did last time when I was making the oatmeal cookies. That's what's gonna make it stick. I'm gonna put as much until I have the right consistency. Let's see. Okay, so I got the consistency that I'm looking for. This is it. Like I'm thinking of putting is some pistachios. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel these, put them here. More. Come and count like 100 of these, and then throw away the rest. Alright, so I just want you to take, what is it, 100? Okay, take 100.
What are those?
Shells. Pistachio shells. You have to bring a 100 of something, right? So take 100 of these. We need a plastic. Why that thing is so loud? I'm gonna watch TV once I'm done, okay? And take your thing out of here. Mark, take this out. And then what else? This morning when I got up, my weight was pretty decent. It's in the low 130. So I was pretty satisfied, and I think at that moment when I saw the weight, when I was writing on my notebook, I realized something, that, you know, my weight is actually going down. And I did a small recording. I'll show you that clip of whatever I was thinking at that time. So it's about close to 6 o'clock, and I'm looking at my schedule here. How my weight is going down slowly. If we look like a couple of weeks ago, the 3rd, my weight was 135.2. Morning weight, that is. And morning weight 133.4, 133.2, 133.4, 132.8, 132.4. That's the 8th. On the 9th, 132.4. The 10th, 131 even. The 11th, 130. Yesterday, 130.8. And just a few minutes ago, 5:30, 130.2. So the weight is going down slowly, even though I'm eating whatever I want. Plus, I try not to buy a lot of junk food. That way, a lot of time I'm craving stuff, and I go in the pantry. There's nothing really, no junk food for me to eat, so that's helping. And yeah, the weight is going down. I just took care of myself. I'm about to prepare lunch for the kids. My oldest is taking a bath. See, you see my stomach? You see the difference? Yep. So yeah, the weight is going down slowly. Just to show you, it's almost 6 o'clock. It's flat. Anyway, let me get myself ready. And then today I went to the gym. I decided not to record. The reason is that I wanted to focus on just doing the things that I normally do. I didn't want to worry about pointing and positioning the camera the right way and lose momentum. So I just wanted to make sure, like, some of the thing I normally lift, I'm able to lift. So for instance, last time on Monday I was doing 30-pound shoulder press with the dumbbell. I did it, but it felt like a ton. So today I did it, it was fine. So if I keep on doing it, and I want to increase the weight, but things have been kind of slow lately, so I didn't really want to push myself too much, but I wanted to make sure I'm able to do some of the things that I did. And some of the workouts that I did, lat pull down, to handle the row on the machine. If you see some of my old videos for back, that's what I did. Nothing major, and I didn't even remember if I count any sets and reps. So I just did whatever I was feeling and then move on to the next. And then at the end, the only thing I sort of wanted to record was I was doing abs. I went upstairs, did some leg lifts. I work on my oblique, and I stretched my lower back on the woman chair. So that I sort of wanted to record, but there were some ladies working out nearby. I didn't want to point the camera you know, make them feel uncomfortable, even though it was gonna focus on me, but I didn't want them to feel uncomfortable. But you know, so today's workout felt pretty good. Like I said, I lift the things I normally lift. I didn't have any issues lifting, and I did as much as I could. And now I'm here. I'm gonna make some coffee and then sit behind the computer, do some stuff, and then be ready for the kids. And on my way here, it's 10 o'clock right now, and I'm seeing a lot of kids on the street. I'm like, what's going on? I forgot. The public schools have, I think, 2-hour delay because of the snowstorm yesterday. But my kids' school, even though they are public school, they don't follow the same procedure as public school. So everything, they started on time. So it was good because the school buses for the other schools, the other public school, were not on the street, so it was easy for them to travel and stuff like that. So they were in school as regular schedule. So that's it, and I will be showing you whatever I did yesterday, small little clips here and there. So thanks for watching. My coffee is ready. So it's still February 13th and it's 1:30. I'm about to eat. I was not gonna document it. So I just warmed up my leftover chicken. It looks like fish, but it's chicken. I don't like fish. So I was not gonna document this. But since I'm doing it and I have not edited the videos yet for today, and I'm just gonna show you. This is about, I don't weigh my food that much. I sort of eyeball it. So if I eat more than this, it's gonna be a problem. Leftover, I need to make more for the kids. That's leftover rice, by the way. And let me warm it some more. Let me put like 20 seconds. Let's put 25. Stopped. And I'll be eating it with some Chinese hot sauce. And that's how I've been eating it all week. So I'm gonna open this. Let's see if I could do it. And that's it. That's my lunch. I'll be eating that with this, with that small amount of rice. Anything than that, more than that amount of rice, my stomach is gonna pop up, and it's not gonna. I'm gonna be working extra hard at the gym again. This morning I show you guys my abs. This is it. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, it's cold outside still. There it is. The abs is going down. So that's my lunch. So I'm writing it down. 1:30 white rice with chicken. That's it. Alright, there's my plate right now. I feel like I could eat more, but if I do, it's trouble for my abdominal. But it's not like I'm really hungry. What I'm gonna do, that's jasmine tea. And so I really want to drink coffee. I already drank a cup of coffee already. I'm not gonna, because I will have to add some sugar and other things. And I was contemplating whether I should eat yogurt. Look at all those eggs. And this is some of the oatmeal cookies I made yesterday. Oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you guys this. Some of it were burnt from yesterday cookies, and I was eating some of them on my way from the gym. Oh my goodness, I was struggling with them in the street. So what I'm gonna do, since I feel like I could eat some more stuff, I'm gonna eat some of the burnt one. They're still good, it's just freaking hard to bite on. So I'll eat 3 of these. Alright, I can't even close it. Okay, my tea's ready. I'll drink that. I have a video for my other channel. My culture channel is rendering right now. So I have some free time. I'm gonna clean and then I'm gonna drink this while I'm cleaning. So yep, that's it. And one thing I forgot to do earlier, I forgot to put post-workout. I ate 3 oatmeal cookies. 3 oatmeal cookies. I ate that on the street. I'll say, what time did I come back? It's 10, so I'll say around 9:40 because I stopped at the library, and when I came here, that's when I drank the coffee. It was 10 o'clock, so I'll say 9:40 a.m. 3 oatmeal cookies. Let's put post-workout. And now it's 1:47 p.m. That's like 3 also. 3 oatmeal cookies. That's it. Yep.